Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the new TeamViewer app with admin rights and sign into your account immediately. This unlocks device management. Once done, enable two-factor authentication so your sessions stay secure. Make sure to check your device ID and a temporary password that the app generates, and verify firewall and network rules permit TeamViewer traffic. These steps get you into a ready state to accept connections without delay or security gaps. You now configure remote access and fine-tune the middle steps. Set unattended access with a permanent strong password and assign the machine to your TeamViewer account so you can connect anytime. Then, adjust permissions, allow remote control, file transfer, and enable Wacom LAN if you need to start sleeping devices. Make sure to enable elevated access for admin tasks. Finally, optimize session settings by reducing visual effects and choosing optimized speed or automatic quality, so connections stay responsive under varying bandwidth. You finish by validating the setup and knowing how to fix common problems. Perform a complete test, remote control, file transfer, audio, and clipboard sync so you confirm end-to-end functionality. If something fails, inspect the session log and connection details to identify whether it's an ID, authentication, or network issue. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the TeamViewer service and ensure the app is allowed through the firewall. If problems persist, run the installer's repair option or reinstall the app to clear corrupted components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.